Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Laura Motta and I'm co-founder of Optologix. We create cutting-edge gene tools for biomedical research. When we think about the healthcare industry, we're usually talking about the far end of the spectrum where new therapeutics reach patients. However, today I want you to think about the very beginning of healthcare, which actually starts with research scientists working in labs. This stage is often overlooked, but is very important because scientists are in the lab carrying out basic research that helps to determine what causes a disease and enables to create new therapies. So, any successful therapeutic is going to have sound basic research behind it. Unfortunately, this isn't always the case. As it turns out, 50% of early research is unreliable. One of the major factors that contributes to this waste, which is about $20 billion each year, is the use of imprecise research tools. These nonspecific tools generally use drugs to activate some sort of activity inside of cells. And while they've been useful, they cause a lot of side effects that lead to these unreliable results and delays in therapy development. This has been the tradition for 30 years to use these tools, but that ends today. As Lori mentioned, there's an emerging trend in biomedical research to use light instead of drugs to trigger activity inside of cells. And because light-activated tools do not cause side effects, they enable researchers to collect better results. Right now, these types of tools are creating a lot of excitement, and this has been demonstrated recently by a publication in Nature magazine that featured our company and described our tool, LightSwitch. LightSwitch uses blue light to turn on a gene inside of a cell. So how does LightSwitch work? It consists of two patented DNA molecules that are inserted into cells. These DNAs will sense blue light and turn on a gene to make a specific protein. This process is fundamental to research because it allows scientists to control when a protein is made and in that way determine whether it directly causes a disease. Our LightSwitch tool became available on the market last week, and this week, on Monday, we actually shipped our first kit to their first paying customer. Thank you. The product consists of a kit containing tubes of our DNAs that are patented, plus a light source. Our target customers are researchers who are working in academia, biotech, or pharma. Academic researchers can purchase the kit directly and receive a limited use license, while industry researchers can gain access to the technology through a license agreement that can range between $18,000 to $50,000. As I mentioned, Optologix is the first company to market a light-based tool, and compared to drug-based products, we stand out in 4 out of 5 categories. Most importantly, ours is the only tool that doesn't cause side effects and provides the highest speed. The market for these types of tools is large. It's around $1.4 billion, and LightSwitch fits into 2 specific markets, the DNA plasmids and cell lines, which together make up an addressable market of $500 million. We've already established market penetration through 60 academic beta testers who are evaluating version 1 of the technology. And using these beta testers as case studies, we're going to roll out a marketing campaign to grow our academic base. Once we have validation in academia, we believe we can grow into the bigger markets of industry researchers and commercial distributors. Besides these beta testers in top-ranked universities, we also have an issued patent on LightSwitch, as well as an exclusive license from UT Southwestern to commercialize the technology. We also have our first customer company, and we've published 2 scientific papers on LightSwitch. As you can see, our team has already accomplished a lot. As co-inventors of the technology, Kevin Gardner and I started the company as a way, because we saw a need in the industry, actually, for better research tools. And now with our advisor, Jahan Ali, we've been able to position Optologix to become the go-to source for light-based technologies. Looking ahead, we plan to use the funding from Health Wildcatters to market and promote version 2 of our LightSwitch product. And with additional capital, we can hire research and sales staff, we can start our R&D operations, and we can build specialized illumination devices. And once we validate our business model, we'll be able to scale by in-licensing other light-activated technologies from other academic groups. In summary, we believe that with better research tools, we can improve the efficiency of biomedical research and in that way accelerate therapy development so that new drugs can make it to patients. If you believe in our vision, please come talk to me. Thank you.